hop sauce coming at you right here. There's really something going. It's weird because right now we're in this risk off environment with uncertainty in all the markets. We've got turmoil with different wars going on, oil prices, the whole thing. We should see a risk off environment, but it's not behaving like that. Check this out. Look at these charts. Okay, this is the Bitcoin chart. Looking at some daily candles right here. Now, why? Here's today. We're seeing this jump. Now, this is a risk on. Crypto is risk on. Why are we seeing this huge green candle today? It's going against the narrative on what to look for risk off assets. And we're still in this sideways pattern. Now, look at here. This level. Let me show you. Okay, so we are within this. I can come down just a hair. It's about 66.5. We're kind of within this range right here. This big bounce is weird to me. Because what we'll do, let's go over and compare it. Come over here to the next chart we're going to have to look at. This is SPY. Okay, the S&P 500. Okay, good. You can see all-time highs. Okay, we got these all-time highs, which I've shown you before. We'll just go ahead and put a line here to give you an idea. As we're coming up, we're hitting all these peaks. Okay, this is kind of a more or less situation. Boom, all-time high. We rolled over. We touched it again right up here. Rolled over. Now, if we zoom in, okay, look at this. We're continuing to the red. Now there's a little. This is today's candle. This was red a little bit earlier. We had recently turned green, but it's a little sliver. So S&P, look, you can see it. We are in this downward. It's been going down ever since we hit those all-time highs on the trend, right? See this coming down like this? We'll see what this candle does today and go from there. Check out gold. Gold has been risk-off asset, moving slow and steady. Now going back, here's the gold chart. Now, does this look like a slow and steady? It should be moving like this, these small ticks. Look how much bigger these daily candles get as we come in here as recently. I mean, the volatility, it's insane. It's insane. That's not, okay, almost 5,700 down to, okay, here's the interesting part, people. This morning, we were down to 4,140. Look what happened, this turnaround. I mean, that is unbelievable. This turnaround on one candle, we jumped, come on, 10% in one day. That's crazy to me. So let me measure where we came from on that all-time high to, shoot, people were down 25% from that peak that we got all excited about a couple weeks back. Wow. You're telling me that looks like a risk-off chart? Look at silver. Same narrative. Now I saw, look, this morning, look at this. Right here, silver bounced all the way down to $60. Oh my goodness. It wasn't quite 60, it was 61 something. But look at this, dude. Look at the volatility right here. This is crazy talk. This is a silver chart. I mean, okay, let's measure it. We hit the silver all-time highs up here at 124. Everybody holding silver is like, no, dude, it's going to go to 300 or whatever. It's like, okay, so instead of taking profits, a lot of you silver guys, I mean, I took my profits earlier on down here because it was just, we had this unnatural run up. I took some profits around $76, but the thing is, you go into the coin shop, people, he's trying to offer me like $67. I was like, you guys are crazy. So there's, okay, I'm not even going to talk about that right now, but does this look like a risk-off asset on this chart? Today's candle, okay, I'm going to measure it again. let's go all-time high to what, a 50% drop. That says 50%, people. I just marked that from that 124 something down to where we were this morning. 50% drop on silver. That's not a risk off. That is more volatile than the cryptocurrency market right now as we speak. I'm actually just realizing this right now. I didn't measure it this morning. I just saw that this hit 60 something. I was like, whoa, dude. So last chart, let's see here. Let's look at, okay, this is a US dollar index. Now, gosh, these are daily candles, dude. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Daily candles bouncing around here. We did come down. That's crazy. To 95. So if we go up here, I'll scooch over a little bit. Boom. Dollars down a couple percent. It's just, look, to me, it's moving too much. This is supposed to be the risk-off, stable stuff going on. So I got to figure out what we're doing here. Okay, what does this mean overall? It seems to be like decisions can't be made yet. It seems like the money wants to rotate into some other asset class from where we're talking about the big money. There's no decisions being made up here. Money isn't fully committing to, look, the traditional investing platforms where you go to risk off when times are crazy. I mean, once I get off here, I'm going to look at some T-bills and this other kind of stuff. So I'm tracking the structure on what these look like comparatively between each other. Okay, how the money's rotating. So, and I have to tell you, this is exactly why I'm watching these charts. And, I get on TradingView. I got to look at the structure, draw lines for the different levels here, the money rotation. If you guys are wanting to do this yourself, I've got this platform linked right here below. You got to watch charts. Okay, I know fundamentals are important. I'm not saying they're not, but the technicals on this thing are really, really important because we have to watch where's the rotation going. I'm trying to figure out where to deploy. I went to cash as much as possible. I'm trying to figure out where to move some of that cash right now. I can't decide. It's on the sidelines. So, these are some of the things. I actually talked about this recently with the Economic Ninja. He's been through multiple cycles, and he's really savvy about where to deploy things. He's got his Ninja 9 course out there that it's a well-diversified platform on multiple different asset classes. Guess what? Right now, guys like him who are these expert investors in the macro market are holding cash. Okay? Right now, there is no obvious signals on where to deploy it, everybody. So we've got to pay attention and be very patient before we start doing anything crazy. I'm just saying right now, let's sit tight. Let's see how things play out in the news and the technicals this week. Look, there could be some other micro plays that are mixed in between there because there is some big movements. There's some chance to make money. There's always a chance to make money. So I just wanted to share you a couple of these charts, what they look like right now, everybody. Thanks for checking in. Give me that thumbs up if you would. Trying to get the subs going. I appreciate you guys. Hey, the recent subscribers, thank you very much. I really, really appreciate it. I'm going to keep feeding as much information out as I can and sharing with the moves that I do. I'm going to be selling some covered calls. I have the last couple weeks here, but my positions are getting smaller, like I said, because I went to cash, but I'm going to share everything I do with you guys here because it's been working. And that's why I started this YouTube channel, because I wanted to share my percentage gains are still really good comparatively on how things are going. So thanks for checking in, everybody. Hops off signing off. Appreciate y'all. All right, peace out. Peace out.